Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Never. You don't catch me. Nobody
Okay,
can.
never.
I know, Vishal.
Okay.
You can tell them the truth.
I don't know. Is it a safe platform to give the right answer?
Yeah, absolutely. Just go for it. I'm with you. I shall be in support of you.
So he has never been caught. Okay, cool. Actually, yeah, I've never been caught also.
Yeah, glad you spoke honestly. You don't have that convenience. Vivi is not fit for the question.
No, I don't even have their numbers. So
Oh, they blocked you?
they moved abroad.
They moved. Oh. What?
No.
What was the question? Did you just ask me that, or did I just hear it wrong?
So I'll tell you, Sanchita, we are supposed to have drinks with it. Because with this sober mind, we can't really answer these questions.
Colors TV show Ishme Marjama's actor Rahul Sudhir and Vishal Vashish chatted with us recently, and here we did a Never Have I Ever segment with them and got their secrets out. So without any further ado, let's begin.
We're doing the segment that is called Never Have I Ever.
Okay.
You all can say no or you all can just say yes, and if you all have anything to add. So, cool. So first question, never have I ever Googled myself.
I have.
I have. Of course I have.
Alright.
Yeah.
Never have I ever regretted doing a project.
I have.
I have.
Alright. You'd like to name that or that
No.
too thin?
No way. I didn't.
No way. No way.
No way. Brutally honest.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. Never have I ever missed a flight.
Vishal.
I have a number of times.
Yeah. Even I have. Once I have, Mr. Fry.
Alright. Never have I ever got caught while watching naughty videos.
Never. You don't catch me. Nobody can.
Okay, never.
I know, Vishal.
Okay.
You can tell them the truth.
I don't know. Is it a safe platform to give the right answer?
Yeah, absolutely. Just go for it. I'm with you. I shall be in support of you.
So he has never been caught. Okay, cool. Actually, yeah, I've never been caught also.
Yeah, glad you spoke honestly.
Alright.
But now,
never
I
have I
think
ever
since we have
tried
answered this
roasting.
question,
That also, speaks a lot of other things.
that's also in a way we are.
Yeah.
Cool, we'll move forward.
Okay. Yes, please. Never have I ever tried roleplay.
What?
No.
What was the question? Did you just ask me that, or did I just hear it wrong?
No, I didn't. It's a never have I ever. That's what the segment is.
So I'll tell you, Sanchita, we are supposed to have drinks with it. Because with this sober mind, we can't really answer these questions.
Like, I'm scandalized at this moment.
I have never. Have you?
Never.
Alright. And
Okay.
alright, I'll move to the next question.
Uh,
Never have I ever drunk dialed an ex.
Drunk dialed an ex. No.
no,
I'm not that dumb. Even if I'm drunk. Never.
never. I don't have that. many
Alright.
exes.
Never ever.
You don't have that convenience. Vivi is not fit for the question.
No, I don't even have their numbers. So
Oh, they blocked you?
they moved abroad.
They moved. Oh.
Cool. We'll move ahead.
Alright. Yes. Never have I ever snuck a girl home while my parents were away.
भैया इतना मेरे को डर लगता है ना. I don't want to get the beating of my life. Never.
I just want to get the question right. I've never have I ever snuck a girl in my house with my parents away.
Yeah, okay.
Or are they
Yeah.
sleeping in the other room?
Or sleeping in the other room.
Away.
Yeah,
No,
then
they are away. Now.
Oh, I heard the question wrong.
Yeah, that's why I confirmed it. घर में parents रहे पागल है इतना बड़ा तो घर ही नहीं
All right. Next question. Never have I ever stolen money from your parents' wallet? From my parents.
अरे यार, मतलब she's trying to just rip my entire thing. I think I stole 10 rupees or something once. Yeah, I have.
And I got caught also.
Yeah, me too, man. बहुत मारा.
अरे I stole from a 20 rupees का गड्डी. I was stupid enough to not see the serial number.
Happens, bro. Happens. Yeah.
That
All
was
First time
right.
for everything.
Right. Okay. Next question. Never have I ever got hit by someone of the same gender?
Hit on. Yeah. Like that.
Yes. Hit on by someone from the same gender.
No, I have.
I have had weird experiences. I don't know if they could call it.
How weird, exactly. What are these weird experiences?
I don't like to talk about it. Very weird.
All right. Never have I ever repeated my undergarments.
Oh, repeated?
Repeated.
Of course, man.
Oh yeah, of course I have.
Mm-hmm.
Of course.
Yeah.
Right.
She has a
Never have
complete
ever
idea.
been to an
She's judging
adult
us right now.
Yeah.
No, I'm not
sorry.
judging anyone. Okay, so kill me if I don't finish this quickly, so I'm just going to do this quickly. Never ever been to an adult store.
Never.
I have.
You're cool, really.
Okay.
I have.
Never,
I spotted one on the way, so I just
Never.
thought I might check it out.
okay. Never ever hooked up with a fan.
No,
Never.
never.
Never ever dated two girls at the same time.
Never.
Never.
Never ever fake praised someone. Fake praised someone.
Fake praise.
Fake
I fake
praise.
praise a lot of people. Everyone.
Yeah.
All right.
आप कितने कमाल?
Never ever used. Never ever used my celebrity status to get out of a critical situation.
Never. I am not a celebrity.
नहीं never. मतलब हाँ ऐसा कोई situation होगी
Humble
celebrity
man.
status ही निकाल सकती है भाई.
हाँ.
Never ever commented on a celebrity's Instagram post for attention.
Never.
No. I have commented on
Alright.
his. So,
Yeah, I have commented on his too.
so,
But it mostly would be a joke or something and not to garner
yeah,
attention. for
recent
person.
times में अगर पूछे तो ये.
Okay, lastly, never have you ever thought of entering the Bigg Boss house?
Never.
No.
I have never thought of entering the Bigg Boss.
Never thought of it.
Neither
Never.
of you? Is it so
Never.
bad?
It's not good or bad. It's just about the space, whether that space makes you uncomfortable or not. And
Yeah.
does everybody want to give out their private lives like that? I don't think so.
I don't see
That's-
myself. I don't see myself there and interacting with anybody so much.
All right. Okay, that was that. Thank you so much, guys. It was lovely talking to you all, and all the very best for the big revelation that's about to come.
Thank you, Sanchita.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment. We hope that you guys enjoyed this chat with them. If you did, do comment and tell us. Also, don't forget to subscribe to India Forums for more such videos. Sanchita Jhunjhunwala, India Forums, Mumbai.